Legal mindset, that is true. You know, especially Filipinas, a lot. Oh God, I'm telling you, we have a different kind of moods. Especially when you wake up in the morning and we wake up on the wrong side of the bed. I was like, hey, you want coffee? Go ahead. Just right there. And if we hit the good button, we're singing. We're singing, dancing, and then suddenly crying. There's a lot of, Filipinas are so emotional. Emotional. Very emotional. Like the minute they are nice to you, they are very sweet, and then after that they become irritated, they don't want you to breathe. They don't want you, yeah, they don't want you to breathe, and then they become snappy, and then suddenly you hear her singing in the kitchen, like that. nature nature of the Filipina. But most of the Filipina, we are sweet, guys. Don't get scared, we are sweet. Just, if